Dysart, so I'm having phone trouble. There's a truck over here with a little front end loader on it. Camper's pulling out. Nice camper. This purple truck here works so hard, paint's coming off. Look at the black one for me. But it's got its antennas forward like a bull. Thing's crazy cool. Some Canadians, beautiful paint job on this Peterbilt newer model. Wow. Look at this. Oh, that green one. Holy crap. Wow. Drive right through a herd of cattle with that. There's a duck. He must be a duck hunter. It's so bad. Oh, that is awesome. I was gonna